Hello everyone, welcome back to Continental Food and Cake TV. If today is your first time here, you are highly welcome. My name is Joy. In today's video, I'm going to take you to Jamaica. Today we are going to be making jerk chicken. So delicious and tasty, you don't want to miss it. To see or to learn how to make jerk chicken, please keep watching. If you're new here, you've not subscribed to Continental Food and Cake TV, please hit that button and subscribe. Also leave your comment and give this video a thumbs up. Let's get started. First step is to make the seasoning paste for the jerk chicken. You're going to need red bell pepper half, green bell pepper one large onion, garlic, ginger and fresh thyme. Next, I'm going to cut all the bell peppers into medium sizes and the onion for easy blending. But if you have a food processor, feel free to use. The reason why I'm cutting the bell peppers and the onion into medium sizes is that I want to reduce the quantity of water I'm going to add when blending. After cutting, the next step is to transfer to the blender. Before blending, I'm adding 1 teaspoon of mixed herb, then add 4 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil, add some water, little water, you don't want to add too much water, then cover with the lid and blend until smooth. After blending until smooth, this is the consistency you're going to get. Keep that aside for use later. Next, I have chicken drums, wash and clean. I wash my chicken drums with lime. You can use chicken thigh, chicken breast, any part of the chicken that you like. I'm adding the seasoning paste. Then I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of white pepper, 1 teaspoon of onion powder, and 1 teaspoon of 4 seasoning peppercorn. Then add 1 teaspoon of chicken seasoning, 1.5 quarter of non-chicken, half a teaspoon of salt. Then add some bay leaf and mix together until it's well combined. You have to make sure you mix this really well. I wasn't very happy with this. I later changed to a wooden spoon to make sure that I mixed it until it's well combined. You can also add scotch bonnet to this, but I leave it out because I want the children to eat from it. But you can also add it to just give it that kick, extra kick. There is no jerk chicken without the jerk seasoning, so I'm adding 1 tablespoon of it. After adding it, I'm going to mix it together until it's well combined. If you notice, I just bought this for £1. You can get the seasoning to buy in any local food shop around you that sells like African food or Asian food. I wasn't very happy. I decided to add more seasoning paste and mix together. You really need to mix this very well. You can use your hands, you wear your hand glove and mix it together. I don't want to mix with my hand. After that, you want to cover with a cling film and leave to marinate 24 hours, or you can leave it for 6 hours to marinate. But to get the better taste out of the jerk chicken, you want to leave to marinate till the next day. So this is the remaining seasoning paste. I'm going to leave it to use for next time when I'm cooking. So I have my baking tray, then I line with a foil paper and the baking sheet. So this is the chicken next day marinated for 24 hours. By this time the chicken must have absorbed all the seasoning, and by the time you bake or roast in the oven, it's going to be tasting delicious. Next, I'm going to transfer to a baking tray. After transferring the chicken to the baking tray, next step is to transfer to a preheated oven 180 degrees Celsius or 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 35 to 40 minutes until it turns golden brown. After baking for 40 minutes 180 degrees Celsius, this is the finished result of the jerk chicken. This is the finished result. It tastes so delicious. I ate mine with jollof rice, but you can also eat this with fried chips, Jamaican rice and peas, white rice. You can even eat it on its own. That is how delicious jerk chicken is. Please, if you've not tried this before, I'm begging you, go out there and try it and you will not regret it. It tastes so yummy that you don't want to miss it. If you're new here and you're just passing by, you're welcome. Thank you so much for coming to this channel. Thank you for watching this video. If you've not subscribed, please hit that button and subscribe. Also leave your comments and give this video a thumbs up. To all my subscribers, new, old, I appreciate you all. I love you all. Thank you so much for coming back to watch my video. Thank you so much. Please check the description box. You're going to find a list of the ingredients. Follow me on Instagram, continentalfood.cake. Love you all, and I will see you in another one. Bye bye.